wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best model airplane kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For a throwback option, try the Guillow's Piper Super Cub 95. Made of laser-cut balsa wood, it even flies thanks to the included rubber motor. It's perfect for younger kids who want to get started in the hobby, but who aren't yet ready for the intricate sets. It's a good parent-child bonding opportunity and is generously sized. However, the wood is very fragile. At number 9, based on one of the most iconic reconnaissance aircraft ever, the Revell SR-71A Blackbird comes with a drone and ground trolley, so you'll be ready for a mission anywhere on the planet. It's the type of plane that makes even the most disinterested observer stop and stare. It's made from heavy-duty plastic with functional canopies, but the paint guide is confusing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Tamiya Corsair birdcage has folding wings, which gives you some options during placement. You can also set the flaps up or down, and there are plenty of aftermarket modifications you can purchase if the basic kit isn't realistic enough for you. It includes instructions in multiple language and flawless panel lines. However, it uses poor quality decals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model airplane kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, no glue is necessary for the Daron Skymarks Boeing 777, as the pieces snap together nicely. The tail tucks into the wings and fins with little effort, so there's one less opportunity for frustration when you're constructing the thing. The plastic offers good flexibility, and it includes rolling landing gear, but there's a limited amount of detail. Moving up our list to number 6. As the name suggests, the Revell B-17G Flying Fortress isn't some dinky little miniature you stash on the corner of your desk. This is a massive piece, and it's sure to be a conversation starter regardless of where you put it. It'd be nice if the bomb doors opened, though. It features a realistic cockpit instrument panel and a historically accurate design. However, the pieces fit together sloppily. Halfway up our list at number 5. You'll be forgiven for thinking that the Hasegawa F-22 Raptor comes with more decals than pieces. There are some for the fins, engines, fuselage, and more, so if applying stickers isn't your bag, you might want to keep shopping. It comes with well-made parts and a canopy that raises and lowers, but painting it is tricky. At number 4, the Academy Stuka Tank Buster was the scourge of the Spanish Civil War, but its fearsome reputation doesn't carry over to the assembly process. It's not especially flashy, but it will still make a classy addition to any shelf in your house. It boasts an intricately detailed flak cannon and a very small footprint. It's extremely inexpensive too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Revell Messerschmitt is an accurate and detailed replica of the fighter that menaced the skies in World War II, right down to the movable propeller and long-range fuel tank. It's easy to assemble as well, so you can be finished in less time than the Battle of Britain. It's a good choice for novices and offers multiple decal options. The pieces fit together well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model airplane kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, don't be intimidated by all the parts you see inside the box for the Tamiya P51D Mustang, as the instructions make it easy to figure out what goes where, and the best order to approach putting them all together. The end result is a beautiful, intricately detailed plane. It comes with 2 pilot figures and a stunning Merlin engine. It provides a satisfying challenge. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Revell P47D Thunderbolt allows for a variety of customizations that also let you determine just how much of a challenge you're willing to accept. This makes it equally suitable for kids looking to get their feet wet, or for experts hoping to add to their collections. The decals go on smoothly, and it's a good budget option. It requires minimal sanding. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model airplane kits, or simply click beneath this video.